Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Expand the Output Settings panel to access the output settings for web gallery images. Here you can change the image quality for large web gallery images when they are output via exporting or uploading in Lightroom Classic CC. You can also specify the image metadata information to output for the copies of the large images. You can also apply watermarking and sharpening to all the output web gallery images. To set the quality of large images that are saved for exporting or uploading, use the Quality slider. To change the metadata that is exported with the large images, select an option from the Metadata drop-down menu. To apply watermarking to all output images, check the Watermarking checkbox and then select a saved watermarking preset to apply from the adjacent drop-down menu. To review how to create and save watermarks, please review the earlier lesson titled Adding Watermarking to a Slideshow in the chapter named the Slideshow module. To apply output sharpening to images, check the Sharpening checkbox and then select an option from the drop-down menu to the right. Note that sharpening is only applied when the images are output via exporting or uploading.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.